Hello everybody, welcome back to Americom. This is your teacher Joseph. Guys, if this is your first time watching our content, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure you like, you comment and you share, because Americom today is gonna make you happy with this lesson as soon as, alright? So a lot of you guys have problems, especially the student. Sometimes they always ask me question about how to use as soon as. And so if you are among the students that asked me last time that you'd like to see this type of lesson, so stick with me on the book, because like this is so important. And I guarantee you that you're gonna understand, because I'm here to make you happy, right? You know the teacher, right? Alright, so les gars, Americom, aujourd'hui, on c'est Rumia as soon as, okay? Parce que on a zone when go tambi how Rumia as soon as possible. As soon as possible. So today we're gonna see how we can possibly manage and operate positive so you can get some. Ngajaron namna Rumia ta isike household parce que this is a strategy, you know what I mean? Alright, so there we go. Here we have how to use as soon as, okay? How to use as soon as, alright? So, nakarongo how to use as soon as, ça veut dire comment on utilise as soon as, okay? Namnamdo rumia as soon as, do you understand? Another definition one, alright? So, we have as soon as is a conjunction, alright? So, as soon as, ça c'est une conjonction used when something happens immediately after some other events, alright? So as soon as wasirumia na heka ngwabonwe kama ya hijiri immédiatement après ya event yangina. Alright, so naangalia moi example so ilua household, do you understand? Parce que c'est très important. Okay, so here we have as soon as I get home, I will give you a call. As soon as I get home, I'll give you a call, alright? So here the sentence is so clear, alright? If phrase est clair, as soon as I get home, do you understand? I will give you a call. Ça veut dire dès que tu as su d'ahon so here. Do you understand? So nangali strategy wa nyakins. As soon as I get home, I will give you a call. And be careful, c'est toujours avec la virgule, okay? Donc I get home, as soon as I get home, rumia présent simple. Amoi as soon as as soon as. So as soon as I get home, rumia présent simple. Après la virgule, I will give you or I shall give you a call. Ça veut dire dès que tu as su d'ahon, fanya appel. Do you understand? So ça veut dire que as soon as I get back home, il y a au présent simple. Donc il y a automatiquement au futur simple. Alright, so ngena amai zia bili wano phrase ya bili. So as soon as your father gets home, he will talk to you. So as soon as your father gets home, he will talk to you. Alright, so nakabaho dès que baho sudahona to babuha now. Do you understand? Alright, so here you know toujours as soon as your father gets, he gets, okay? Remember how he, she, it au présent simple. On met toujours s à la fin, ou bien ies ou bien es. Alright, so as soon as your father gets home, in au présent simple, après la virgule, he will talk to you. Amai phrasabilité toujours he will talk to you. Ça veut dire au futur simple. Donc au présent, après la virgule, futur simple. Do you understand? So comme ça, comment on utilise as soon as. Deuxième point. As soon as I saw the green lights, I started my car, right? So as soon as I saw the green lights, I started my car, right? So as soon as dès que naona hii green light, ça veut dire feu vert. Viketi na magari hamai rond-point, right? Donc urolo feu vert. Dès que naona feu vert, kama ti pata garlango. Do you understand? Donc hamai kayabili yoka au passé simple, après la virgule au passé simple. Donc here we have I saw the green light. Donc so, infinitive yo to see. Do you understand? So to see, passé simple ka so. So as soon as I saw the green light, dès que naona hii feu vert, I started my car, right? See? Pata garlango. Phrasability, as soon as I said it, I regret it, alright? So, oh my God, as soon as I said it, I regret it, right? So, wakati kama dès que na rongwa ndongo yo ti regrette. Dès que na rongwa ti regrette, right? Ça veut dire, kakabidi ni rongwa whatever, I don't know. Sometimes you say something and, you end up regretting what you said, you know what I mean? So, whatever. So, it is what it is. So, this is the strategy. Présent simple, futur simple après la virgule, right? Passé simple, right? Donc unaangalia uzuri. Na kango wandri kamba ukaokola shahula tajongia utrawa As soon as he got in, I fled. Wakatangia chitawa. Wadwa huya, whatever, I don't know. So, naika ngwe hamai strategy zino. Présent simple, futur. Passé simple. Alright, so, abasanger déjà hamai poetia no vano. Ça, c'est juste un bonus. Alright, muone comment ça se produit aussi. As soon as you know, hazashinda uifanya hamai anglais. Yeah, we have as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Right? So nakango tsorumia as soon as possible. Wande vano problemu ilio. Wanazoni wengi wao yurumia as soon as possible bebo ka toujours tashaushi. Parce que quand si juamba ou bien quand si shinda warambwa namna lazima ike, lazima na hirongo frazino as soon as possible ike, whatever. So ngerjao ticha Faransa wana namna ndogo skao. Donc nakango tsorumia aussitôt que possible en anglais. That is as soon as possible. Right? Nakango tsorumia au plus vite possible. So that is as soon as possible, right? So nakango tsorongwe dès que possible. Toujours that is as soon as possible, right? What's your hakate? Do you understand? Faransa as soon as possible, right? So, ngobo termo nzuri chez américain parce que là je vais vous montrer chez américain wenyewe parfois namna warongo parce que abasa ngojo shingereza ngesina chari nyingi, right? Alright, so wenyewe warumia ASAP. On dit pas ASAP mais plutôt ASAP. ASAP, ça veut dire as soon as possible. As soon as possible. We say ASAP, right? Yo, I'ma be right there ASAP, right? I'ma be right there as soon as possible, right? So ASAP, you need to have Shingereza basa wandu in chari, right? Yeah, so you have to use ASAP. I personally, I don't use as soon as possible. So to sound really native and really sound professionally, probably use ASAP is gonna work. I mean, like, a lot of people will definitely say that that guy is a professional guy using ASAP, alright? So this is how Americom today wanted to literally explain to you how to use as soon as, alright? Okay, go na lesson yangina, yo sasa on as soon as, okay? Be yo manga mbabi yo grammar ya honivo, right? So titri yorongolo no sooner than, right? So no sooner than you say wanna, then you know what I mean? Yeah, donc this is what it is, okay? Alright, so hopefully you really enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure you like, you comment and share. Just hit the like button, hit the sub if you haven't yet, okay? So alright guys, I shall see you in the next lesson. Peace.